Welcome to the series of GRE word list for the candidates of CSS, PMS, PCS and other competitive exams. Today is the fourth video of the series. I hope you are following the videos for the better understanding and for the building your vocabulary and for the building your vocab bank. So therefore keep the pace. Try to maintain the pace and follow the videos. The first word in the row is accolade. Accolade is a noun. The meaning is praise or an award for an achievement that people admire. I repeat the meaning, praise or an award for an achievement that people admire. Urdu meaning is tarif or tamgha. It has three synonyms. The first one is acclaim, applause and homage. Example is 4 restaurants have been awarded the highest accolade of the 3-star rating. The second word is accomplice. Accomplice is also a noun. The meaning is a person who helps another person to commit a crime or to do something wrong. The Urdu meaning is राफ़िक़े जुर्म होना, जुर्म का मुआविन या शरीक होना. It has also three synonyms. One is abettor, cohort and confederate. Examples are she became his unwitting accomplice in the robbery. The second sentence is the police suspect that he had an accomplice. The third word is accost. Accost is a verb. The usage is accost somebody, means to go up to somebody and speak to them, especially in a way that rude and threatening, means to speak somebody with a rude and threatening way. Example is she was accosted in the street by a stranger. Let's see the synonyms. Synonyms are approach, confront, outbrave, affront, face up and square off. Antonyms are avoid, eschew, shun, elude, evade, dodge, funk, shirk and sidestep. The fourth word is accouter. Dear listeners, keep one thing in mind, that it is the spelling of a American pattern. However, on a British pattern, the spelling at the end is like T-R-E. T-R-E. Now it is T-E-R. It is an American style. So may you find any difficulty. So I thought I must tell you. The meaning is or the usage is accouter somebody in with something, mean to dress somebody in a particular type of clothing or give them a particular type of equipment, especially a noticeable or impressive type. Example is she arrived accoutered in an ankle length leather. The synonyms are furnish, grid, kit up, outfit, provision or rig. However, the antonyms are deprive, dispossesses, divest, strip. Additionally, accoutrements is its noun. The next word in the row is accretion. Accretion is a noun. The meaning is a piece of matter that is slowly added to something, means growth. Urdu meaning is izafi, ilhaq afzoi or nashonama. Okay. Let's see the synonyms. Synonyms are accrual, addendum, augmentation, proliferation, and uptick. Viewers, keep one thing in mind, that the synonyms and antonyms which are mentioned here, these are near synonyms or antonyms which are possible or which are available through the dictionaries. So try to grasp the accurate word, and try to cross verify their meanings for the proper usage or the accurate usage. Okay, and the antonym is deduction. Let's see the examples for the more clarification. Towers and other accretions of the castle. The second one is the accretion of sand by wind action. The sixth one is accrue. Accrue is also a verb. It has two meanings. The first meaning is to increase over a period of time. Means something is increasing over the period of time. Example is interest will accrue if you keep your money in a saving account. Definitely when you keep your money in a saving account, interest will increase, interest will accrue. The second usage is accrue something, means to allow a sum of money or debt to grow over a period of time. Means growing of money or a debt. Example is the firm had accrued debts of over 6 million US dollars. Synonym is amiss, and antonyms are abate or dwindle. The seventh word is acme. Acme is a noun. Meaning is the highest stage of development or the most excellent example of something. The Urdu meaning is Nukta-e-Uruj, Buland Tareen Maqam. Let's see the synonyms. Synonyms are apex, apogee, capstone, crescendo, meridian, or pinnacle. Antonym is nadir. Example is first position in Pakistan is acme of CSS achievement. Means if you are getting first position in Pakistan, so you reached the highest position of the CSS. The next word is acoustics. Acoustics is a noun. It has two meanings. The first meaning is the shape, design of a room or theater that make it good or bad for carrying sound. Means a place where sound can be easily carried or badly carried. In both cases we use the noun acoustics. The second meaning is the scientific study of sounds is also called acoustics. आवाज़ों का इल्म. Example is the acoustics of the new concert hall are excellent. Second last word is acquiesce. Acquiesce is a verb. The usage is acquiesce in or to something. These are prepositions. Keep in your mind the correct usage. The meaning is to accept something without arguing, even if you do not really agree with it. मानना, राजी होना, मंजूर करना means reluctantly you are accepting something. Let's see the example for more clarification. She explained her plan and reluctantly he acquiesced. Synonyms are accede, assent, come round. Antonyms are rebuff, scorn, spurn, dissent, or gainsay. Acquiescence is a noun. Last but not the least is acquittal. Acquittal is a noun. It is an official decision in the court that a person is not guilty of a crime. Sorry, it is a typing mistake. It is not the meaning of acquittal. the meaning of acquittal is in Urdu bari karna, okay, और बरी जिम्मा करार देना, बरी जिम्मा करार देना. So antonym is conviction. Examples are the case resulted in an acquittal. The second one is the jury voted for acquittal. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.